Hey, what is up, guys? So, if you're watching this video, you want to see how you can change your mindset. So, a lot of people these days are seeing what they can stay up to on the trends because we are in a fast moving world and everybody knows it's only getting faster and faster. So, it seems like, especially in the online world, when one thing is booming on money, for example, the NFTs or Bitcoin, everybody tries to hop onto that. But the truth is, of the matter is, if you want to do something in life, be consistent at it and you can have whatever you want. As long as it's providing value and service to someone else that can be accustomed for solving that problem, then you can have anything you want. Because we as entrepreneurs, we as people that make money or want to make more money abundantly, see how we can solve problems, and not just solve problems, but we see how we can solve better problems, greater problems, more valuable problems, because the way for us to get more money is for us to get more value of ourselves. And for us to make more value of ourselves is for us to put ourselves in positions that people are needing in order for us to get more money, in order for us to put ourselves out there as a marketer or an entrepreneur in order to get more money. And when it comes to doing this, it does require a strong mindset, because going through this requires a lot more no's than there are yeses, and a lot more trials and errors than successes. But at the end of the day, you will see that success. You will reap the reward with your persistence, because that's all you need in order to be successful, is to be having a heart that's willing to go above and beyond and willing to be diligent and persistent in everything you do. And if you are willing to do that, you yourself can have anything in the world, because the laws of the universe will put things into your hands that you only have an X amount of no's, but you will get that yes. You will get that $10,000 sale. You will get that goal that you've been wanting to achieve for years or days, however it is. As long as you're persistent and you're resilient to it, you will get that goal and you will reap the benefits. The key thing is building momentum. So everybody starts off with habits. Everybody starts off with day one, and the next day it's like your subconscious mind, whether you like it or not, you're being controlled by it because of your thought patterns. And your thought patterns are based on your habits, and they're based on the feelings. Your thought patterns release those feelings into the world, whether they're positive or negative. So for you to have better habits is for you to realize that what you're doing, and to start now and to continue to do that on a daily basis and day after day, to keep track of yourself, to make sure that you're doing that so you can build that momentum, and in return you can reap the rewards in the end. Because at the end of the day, it's all a numbers game, and it's all based on what you do and on the attentions that you put your attention to, your habits and everything, and your attitude. So, with that said, I hope you got a lot out of this video. Make sure you're keeping a successful, positive attitude. Continue to be resilient and persistent, and continue to keep track of your habits. As long as you do this, you can have anything in the world you want. Peace.